Hi, I'm experiencing a series of frustrating issues with my Samsung phone. It's becoming increasingly unreliable, and I'm not sure where to start. Additionally, my phone has developed a habit of randomly restarting. This issue happens without warning, whether I'm in the middle of using an app, making a call, or sometimes even when the phone is just idle. Even though the power button works, the intermittent response points to a possible loose connection or a failing component inside the phone. It could also be a software issue where something in the system is preventing the phone from powering on correctly every time. First off, even though my phone is charged well above 50%, when I press the power button, it sometimes behaves as if it has no power at all. The screen flickers occasionally and sometimes it powers on, but other times it just won't respond. Let's power on the device using these methods. To enter download mode on a Samsung phone that is powered off, press and hold both volume buttons together. Keep holding these buttons until you see a warning screen appear. At this point, press the volume up button to proceed into download mode. From here, we can restart our device by exiting download mode. To exit, press and hold the power and volume down buttons at the same time. Continue holding until the phone powers off, which will trigger a reboot, returning the device to its normal operating mode. Entering download mode is typically used for flashing firmware or custom ROMs and performing software repairs. Exiting the mode simply requires a reboot, returning the device to its standard operation. Loose internal connections can also lead to a range of issues, including the phone's erratic power behavior and SIM card problems. Over time, components inside the phone can become loose, especially if the phone has been dropped or subjected to physical stress. If you're comfortable opening the phone, you can check for loose connections yourself. Otherwise, a professional technician will be able to inspect the internal components and secure any loose connections. Press and hold the volume down and volume up buttons simultaneously. When the warning screen appears, press volume up to enter download mode. Make sure you have the latest version of the software installed on your computer. Obtain it from a trusted source. Use a USB cable to connect your phone to the computer. The software should recognize the device once connected. On the software interface right-hand corner, locate for the option labeled Reboot, click on it, then from here you'll select your brand. Then click for the option labeled Download Mode to System, click on it. This will trigger your device to reboot into a normal state. As for the random restarts, this could be symptomatic of various issues. A failing battery or overheating could cause the phone to shut down and restart to protect its components. Corrupted software or problematic apps might also trigger these restarts. By pressing a combination of buttons, typically both volume buttons, and inserting USB cable, you'll enter download mode. Once you see warning screen, don't press volume up. To exit download mode, press the volume down button instead. This will cancel the operation, and your phone should automatically restart and boot back into its normal operating system. While you are in download mode, go to the software interface. Click on Samsung. Then click on the download mode section. Then here you'll see option labeled Soft Brick Fix. Click on it and your device will reboot to a normal state. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you haven't subscribed yet, now's a great time to join the party. Ensuring that the phone's software is up to date and performing a factory reset might help stabilize the system.